Hello, so here we are, and we're just going to run through the vibrating table. I want your ear defenders there as well, because it's a noisy job. But this video is designed to go with the other videos that were put out recently, which didn't go into too much detail with the vibrating table. And the vibrating table images or video that we had on screen at that point might be a little bit misleading. So here we are, just running through the vibrating table process with filling our moulds up with concrete and just vibrating the moulds on the vibrating table as we fill up the mould, releasing the air as we go through. So relatively simple little task. And like I say, this video is kind of an appendage to the recent concrete casting videos that have been put up for August and September. Might want a little bit of manual tapping also. And job done. So there we are. We got two casts there, a dragon and the small skull, which was in the demonstration. The small skull, wrapped them up, and we'll leave those for a day or two, and then we'll demold them as always. So a bit of cleaning up to do. There's the other casts, and job done. A little fairy door and other random stuff. So thanks for watching. See you soon, and over and out for now.